Alright guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's very close. So here my balance now is 2000 US dollars. So we made 100% profitable. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to MAFIA Trader. Alright, so in this video I will share to you how to do a compounding trading with the right way. Maybe some of you have already seen a YouTube videos where people can turn $1 into $1,000 or even $10,000. Yes, it is possible, but it's not easy. So here I will show you a simple and realistic way to do a compounding trading and how can you apply this method into your trading season. But before we are going to the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video because I'm pretty sure this video will be helpful for you to make a lot of money. Alright guys, so here I'm already on this platform. This is the pocket option. If you don't have an account on this platform, you can create an account. You can register. The link is on the description box below. You can start trading after creating new account and then you can start making money. So here in this account I have 1000 US dollar. This is my profitable balance. So make sure if you want to do a compounding trading, you are already consistently profitable. So at least you have a high accuracy for 55%. That's more than enough. If you have 60%, that's better. So here, let's say you have $100, you can start from $10. If I have $1000 like this, I can start from $100. So I have 10 chance. If I lose 10 times, I lost all the balance. But if I success like 3 times in a row, I get 70% profitable. But if I have a more accuracy like 4 times in a row, that's more than 100% profitable. Alright guys, so let's start trading. I will start compounding trading from $100 and I will look for the market that have a good opportunities to make an entry. Alright guys, on this market I have a good opportunity, so I will start buy option. As you can see here, I use 7-level strategy. This is the red line strategy. Simply I only see the candle position. If the candle is above this red line, that means this is an uptrend. That's why I made buy options. Simple as that. You can see here we made a profit. Alright guys, 5 seconds left, and as you can see here, we made a profit for our first trade. Because this is compounding trading, so I will compounding for 172 US dollar. So I will buy option again. The reason is still same because this is an uptrend, that's why I made buy option. So let's wait for this result. Alright guys, as you can see here, we made a profit. So I will continue for 268 US dollar. So I hope I made 3 times in a row, so my balance will increase for 70%. Alright guys, as you can see here on this market is already shifted from an uptrend, I mean a downtrend, to an uptrend, and here we can buy options. This is pretty clear that the trend is already changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. As you can see here, all of the candles is below the red line. That means this is a downtrend, right? And after the candle is crossing to the red line, and here now the candle is above the red line, that means this is an uptrend. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profitable trade again. And here, oh, not 70%, and here only 50%, and that's more than enough. if you already success 3 times in a row, just back to $100. So here you have 15 change. Let's continue. I will start again from $100, and here we have a good opportunities. Why I said this is good opportunities, because as you know here that this is an uptrend, right? So when the candle or the price is try to approaching the red line, that means the price will bounce back going to the upside. As you can see here, 5 seconds left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, we made a profit. We have a good entry levels. Even the candle is red, we still make a profitable trade, that because we have a good entry levels. We entry on the tails of the candle here. So let's continue here. I will compound again for $100 and $92, and we can buy options. Alright guys, as you can see here, I think we lost here, but that's okay because we don't have a good entry levels. So that means if the candle here is breaking to the red line, that means the trend is changing again. So here I think I will sell options, but we need to back to $100. Oh, we made a profitable trade. Alright, let's continue. I will start from $100 again. Alright guys, this is pretty clear that this is the resistance level, so that means the price will bounce back to respect the resistance level, so we can sell option on this market. On the previous trade, I made a profitable trade. I don't know why, because I'm not focused at that time, so lucky me. Let's see on this trade. Alright guys, 5 seconds left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we made a profitable trade again. So let's compound again for level 2. Alright, here we can sell options. Why I made sell option is still same as a previous entry, because I see on this candle is below the red line, so that means this is a downtrend. When the candle try to approaching the red line, the candle will continuing a downtrend. That's why I made sell option. If this trade losing, I will back to $100. Alright guys, let's see. 5 seconds left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm very lucky here. So let's continue for how much I've got here. 386. Okay, 386 US dollar. Let's continue. I will sell option again here. The reason is still same. The market always making a price like this. After approaching the red line, we're continuing a downtrend, approaching the red line again, continuing a downtrend. So here the price is making a downtrend, approaching the red line, still near to the red line. That means the price will continuing a downtrend. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yep, we made a loss. That's okay because we already profitable for $600 US. Alright guys, this is the confirmation. If the candle close price is above the red line like this, I will buy options. Making an entry on the sideways is not best options, so that's okay. Okay, here this is perfect. I will buy. As you can see here, after downtrend, the candle is making an uptrend because the candle breaking to the red line. So here, after the candle make approaching to the red line, that means that's our entry positions. So here, let's see our trading. We lost again. That's okay, we still have a profitable trade. As you know here, I always believe after the candle try to approaching the line, the candle will continuing a downtrend. Here the candle is try to approaching the red line, the price will continuing a downtrend. So let's see. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, we made a profit again. And here let's compound this trading. I need to make sure we have a good entry position here. On this trade, as you can see here, after the candle approaching the red line, or this is touching to the red line, that's okay. The candle or the price will continuing a downtrend. So here I have a good entry level. So here the price will continuing a downtrend. 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yep, we made a profitable trade. Let's continue. This is our last trade. Let's sell options. We still believe that this is still a downtrend. That's why I made sell options. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's very close. So here my balance now is 2,000 US dollars. So we made 100% profitable. Alright guys, as you can see here, our accuracy is not that bad. On this trade, I wrong about to input the amount because we need to enter 368 US dollar, not 268 US dollar, but that's okay because after that we made a compounding trading for 3 times in a row. So now our balance is $2,000 from $1,000. So this is the realistic way to use a compounding trading. If you want to learn about this strategy, the strategy I used for this video, you can join the Telegram group. The link is on the description box below. Because on the Telegram group, I share the benefit about VIP Club, and if you want to join the VIP Club for free, you can text me on Telegram. On the VIP Club, I share my signal, my copy trading. You can copy my trade identically, and then I share my private strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, you can just comment and I will answer to your question. Thank you.